Good morning, students. Welcome to English lecture. Children, today's lecture is not on the prose and the poems. Today we are going to see one of the grammar topics named word chain, or also called as word game. Children, let me ask you one thing. The moment I said word chain, what first thing came into your mind? Yes? Think on it. I guess some might have got that it's a chain of words. And if you have got that thing in your mind, then you are absolutely correct, my dear children. Because word chain means chain of certain words, and these words help us in improving our vocabulary, my dear children. So let us see the definition for the word chain. A word chain consists of words of a certain category that begins with the letter that the previous word has ended with. I'll explain you in a very simpler way. What is word chain? First of all, there is a category. There has to be certain category. Now, what will be the category? I'll tell you later. Sorry, but what is the rule which we'll implement while doing this grammar topic is that word chain always begins with the previous word last letter. Your previous word last letter, we will use that previous word last letter and we'll make a new word from that same letter, and in this way it will go on. And children, you are supposed to write 4 sets of words in your exams. There has to be 4 words, which makes one set. Okay, now I was talking about certain category. Like, if you see on my screen, I have given example word chain of noun. So when I specify that I want a word chain of noun, so here 2 rules get implemented. The first, which I have already explained, is that we are going to use the last alphabet, that is the last letter of the given word, to make a new word. Also, we have to keep in mind that we follow the same category. Like, if I have been asked to do the word chain on noun, my last letter E here, you can see the example here. I have given the word horse. So in order to make a new word, of course, I'll use the last letter of the previous word, that is E, and I'll frame my new word with this letter E. But I have to make sure that the word which I select with letter E has to be noun and not any other part of speech. For example, I can't take eager, because eager means eager is a verb. So I have changed my category. So that is not allowed. And if you do so, you get 0, my dear children. So that's what I was trying to tell, that you need to keep 2 things in your mind. I hope this is clear to you. So here we go, implementing 2 rules. Number 1, we are going to use the last letter of the previous word to make a new word. So I'm taking my E. You can see I have highlighted my E. This is the last letter. I'm making new word. Okay, but it has to be noun. So E for elephant, and yes, elephant is noun, my dear children. In this way, I got my word chain as elephant. Then my last letter in elephant is T. In the same way, I'll pick up this T of the previous word and will try to form a new word with the letter T, but balancing my category, that is a collection of noun. So T for tiger. Yes, I hope you are following. Or T for tree. or T for tea, whatever it can be anything, but it has to be noun. If it is a noun, you can use ample of nouns there, like tiger, as I said, tree, or tea. Same way, let's move on. If my last letter is R here, I'm going to use the same R of the previous word, and I'm going to make it new by making sure that I'm using a noun. So R for rabbit. Yes, children, rabbit is a noun. Even I go for R for rat. Yes, so that's a noun. And in this way, I have completed my set of a word chain that is a collection of 4 words. And if I do so, my answer is correct and I get full on marks. So I hope the example is clear along with the rules. But make sure that you don't commit mistake while selecting the category, because I have seen many a times while assisting the papers that students do make new word with the last letter of the previous word, but they fail to balance the category, and there that marks goes, and then they come up that, Miss, we have used the rule. Children, you use the rule, no doubt, but you use 1 out of 2. So we are in need of both the rules. So now let us think and make more such word chains. So I hope you are ready. We'll see some another parts of speech and we'll try to make a word chain on that. So here I am. Word chain of adjective. Now you know what is adjective, my dear children. Adjective means quality. Yes. So my given word is clever. Like first word will be given to you with the 3 blanks. Okay. So my first word or my given word is clever. I'll use the last letter of this given word, which is R, and I'll use this R to make my new word. But I have to make sure that my new word has to be adjective. So clever is a quality. Again with R I have got real. So even real is a quality. Same way, last letter is L here. I'll take the L of this word and we'll try to make new word. So my new word has to be adjective and my new word is large. Large is also a quality, my dear children. Large. Yes. Same way, my last letter is E here. I'm going to use the same letter of the given word, previous given word, and I'll try to make my new word with balancing with my category, and my category is adjective. So I'll write E for easy, which is also an adjective. Like you say, the paper was very easy. So how is the paper? Easy, describing a quality, my dear children. So I hope it's clear till here. Moving on to the next set of word chain. Word chain of verb. You know what is verb? You have learned in your previous standard. Verb is nothing but an action word. So my given word is eat over here. My eat ends with letter T. I have to use the same previous letter of the given word, that is T, and try to make a new word from T, balancing my category, that is verb. So eat is an action. In the same way, I have to choose a word with letter or alphabet T. So here T for tell, telling, bolna. Even this is an action. You can also write talk, talk is also an action, my dear children. Same way, my last letter is L here. I'll pick the same letter of the previous word and I'll try to make my new word with the letter L, but with the category verb. So L for life. Yes, life. Here, my last letter is E, my dear children. I'm going to pick up the same E of the previous word and try to make my new word balancing the category of verb. And my word for the verb is to enjoy. Enjoy is a verb, my dear children. You know, maze karna. Same way, let us see the next set. Word chain of noun. So my given word is pen. And the last letter is N here. Yes, I'm going to pick the same N of the previous word and try to make a new word, but I have to balance my category, that is a parts of speech. So N for nest. Okay, I can't write anything else, my dear children. If my category change, my word chain is wrong. I'm repeating this rule time and again. So don't you forget to balance that category. So nest, last letter is T. I'm going to pick the same of the given previous word and try to make new word with the word chain of noun. So T for tool. Even I said for the last time that T for tiger, T for tree. Okay, you can do this. You can't write T for something like T for tap. Okay, tap is okay. Yeah, you can write T for tap, the TAP, tap, which from where we get water. But you can't write the word tap as a verb. You know, but there is one more meaning of the word tap. So please make sure that you try and write the balance parts of speech category. Moving to the next word, the last letter of the word tool is L, and I'll pick the same and I'll try to make my new word, that is lamp. Lamp is a noun. Children, if I write L for look, so that's wrong, because look is a verb and that just mess my set of word chain, thus resulting me in giving 0. Next set of word chain of adjective again. So my given word is honest. T is my last letter. I'll pick the same last letter of the given previous word and I'll try to make my new word with the same letter T, balancing the category adjective. So T for tall. Now here I can't write T for tiger because that was okay when I go with the noun. But here I can't write T for tiger because it is adjective, my dear children. Okay. Same way, tall last letter is L. I'll pick the same L to form my new word and the category will be adjective. So my new word is loyal. So loyal is an adjective. That means it's a quality, you know. He is a loyal person. So how is he? He is loyal, describing more about he or telling more about he. That is giving us the quality of he. Yes. Same way, the last letter of the word is L. I'm going to pick the same L of the previous word and try to make my new word, that is L for long. So again, long is adjective. Like you say Seema has long hair. So how are Seema hair? She has long hair, giving us the quality, my dear children. Moving to the next set of word chain of verb. Okay. My given word is begin. Yes. And the last letter is N. I'll take the same N and try to make my new word with the verb part of speech category, and it is need. You say na, I need money. So I need is playing the role of verb here. So it's correct, my dear, dear children. Same way, the last letter of need is D. So I'll take the same D and try to make my new word balancing the category that is of the verb. And so it is D for dare. You say, don't dare you touch me, don't dare. That's a verb. Yes? So the last letter of the previous word is E. We'll try to make a new word balancing the category that is of verb. E for end. Yes? So that was about this set of verb. Moving to the next one. Word chain of noun again. The given word is answer. The last letter is R. Trying to make a new word with R balancing the category noun. So R for radio, even R for rat, as I told you previously. Here the last letter is O of the previous word radio. I'll take the O and try to make my new word balancing the category of noun. So O for orange. Now here orange can be anything. It can be a color, it can be a fruit. So though you write with any intention, you write with the intention of color or you write with the intention of fruit. Anyways, it is a noun. So it doesn't matter, When you're satisfying the category rules, you're correct, my dear children. Not a big deal. So next one, the last letter is E. And I'll pick the same E balancing the category noun and try to make my new word that is error, mistake. Okay, so my error is again a noun. So in this way, even this set of word chain got completed. Moving to the last one, my dear children. Word chain of verb, order. See, you say, I order him to get a glass of water. So I order, doing an action. So the last letter of the word given is R. I'll pick the same R of the given word and try to make my new word keeping in mind my category that is verb, and I'll try to make as read. Now here I can't write rabbit, my dear children, because that rabbit, you will say, Miss, it is right. I'm starting with the last letter of the previous word. No doubt, my dear children, you're starting with the last letter of the previous word, that is R, but you have changed your category of verb into a noun. So that's an inappropriate answer. So please focus on that. And the answer is read. So reading is a verb. Okay. The last letter of the given word is read. I'll take the same, that is D, to make my new word, balancing my category verb, and I'll go with D for dance. I dance. Even that is a verb. So I'm correct, my dear children. The last letter of dance is E, trying to make my new word with the same last letter of the previous word, that is E, keeping in mind my category of verb, and I'm here with a new word keeping in mind both the rules. So my new word is enter. So you say, that means we have even completed this set of word chain. So I hope, students, you have understood by now that what is a word chain, and so it is even called word game, because it's exactly like a game. You just play with the words. It's very easy. Only you have to keep two certain rules in your mind, and if you do so, it's just like a game. You go on playing and you play and play and you go on playing and you like it. So that was all about the topic, and so here I end the video. I hope it is clear. So please make sure, it's a very important topic which is asked in your board exam. and even for 9th standard. So that was for the day. Meet you soon in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Thank you.